we are going to discuss about simple present tense. When do we use simple present tense? Simple present tense is used to indicate the following. Repeated or habitual actions, general truths, and to speak about fixed arrangements. Here you may have doubt, what do these words mean? Let me explain you. Repeated or habitual actions are ones that happen several times. For example, I drink coffee every morning. General truths. General truths mean the facts that are always true. For example, the sun sets in the west. Next one is fixed arrangements. An event that is scheduled or will occur at the same place and time on a regular basis is known as fixed arrangements. For example, the class starts at 10:30 a.m. Now it is very necessary for us to understand the structure of simple present tense. And the simple present tense is formed using the following structure. And the structure is subject plus verb plus object. Here subject means who performs the action, verb means which shows the action, and object means who receives the action of the verb. For example, she drinks water. In this sentence, she is a subject, drinks is a verb, and water is the object. Here you can observe that I added yes to the verb. Now, before going to some more examples, let me tell you some spelling rules in simple present tense. Spelling rules in simple present tense changes according to the ending of the verb. We normally add s or es to the verb in third person singular form. But when we conjugate s, there are few other spelling rules. Let me tell you one by one. So the first rule is, for the most verbs, we add yes to the base form of the verb. For example, come. Here, come is the base form of the verb. And according to the rule, we add yes. So, come become comes. For other verbs, spelling changes. Like, when the verb ends with sh, ch, ss or x, we add es. For example, wash. Here, wash is the base form of the verb. And according to the rule, when the verb ends with sh, we add es. So, wash becomes washes. So, the next rule is, when the verb ends with consonant plus y, we drop out the y and add ies. For example, study. Here, study is the base form of the verb. And you can observe that there is a consonant d before the letter y. And according to the rule, we drop out the y and add ies. So, study becomes studies. But remember, when the verb ends with vol plus y, we only add yes. For example, play. Here, play is the base form of the verb. And you can observe that there is a vowel a before the letter y. And according to the rule, we add yes. So, play becomes plays. Now, let me show you some examples of simple present tense. So, the first example is, the sun rises in the east. In this sentence, the sun is the subject, rises is the main verb, that in the V1 form. Let me show you one more example. He goes to work every day. In this sentence, he is a subject, Goes is the main verb that is in V1 form. Let me show you one more example. The moon shines at night. In this sentence, the moon is the subject. Shines is the main verb that is in V1 form. Let me show you one more example. John reads the newspaper. In this sentence, John is the subject. Reads is the main verb that is in V1 form. I hope you understood very well what do you mean by simple present tense and its examples. Now let us move to the next type.